Hello YouTube, thanks for tuning back in. It's Niels from GMC Mini Truck, and this episode I'm going to continue working on the car audio, or actually truck audio installation into my 91 GMC Sonoma. As you might have seen in previous videos, links up here and whatever, check the playlist. I will be installing a 5-channel amp with a DSP, a source unit, most likely my phone or a tablet. So that means that there will be a stereo channel coming out of the phone, and from the DSP there will be 5 channels analog into the amplifier. So in order to connect the DSP to the amplifier, I will have to use RCAs. So that's the analog connection between two sources, so actually a source and a receiver. I was planning to use these, but they are rather long, and as I will be installing everything onto the rear of the cabin, so somewhere there, I actually need very short runs. The DSP is using this plug and the amplifier is using these plugs. So to have a clean connection between the two devices, I want to run dedicated and cut to size cables. So what I'm planning to do is this. Thanks to the interwebs I bought this, and it's RCAs and signal cable. It doesn't really look that good, so I have to fill this up with something. I don't know just yet what. What I'm gonna do now is solder one up, see how it looks like, and take it from there. Well, I must say this stuff is pretty tricky to solder, but I got it in there. So I used the silver of this braided cable as ground and the blue as signal. So it's in there. Let's screw it down. Oh yeah, of course, what I use as a filler. This is cloth tape. So I just wrap that around a couple of times, and this is how it looks like. It's actually pretty decent now. So I got the hole filled up, it's nice and centered, all looks good. Of course I will not be showing this, so this will be the front side. So I must say, I'm pretty happy with this, and also due to the fact it's silver and blue, because that matches my speaker cables. So let's fab up another couple of these and then take it from there. That is this small update regarding the prep for the cables. It will be continued in another video, so stay tuned. I will see you then. For now, thank you very much for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment, and then I will see you on the next one. Take care, bye bye, and toodaloo.